National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Union County in upstate South Carolina, Chester County in upstate South Carolina, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 15 miles southeast of Union, or near Carlisle, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Chester State Park around 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Chester and Blackstock around 6:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Richburg and Fort Lawn around 6:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this dangerous thunderstorm include Leeds, Edgemere, Cornwall and Blackstock. A brief, weak tornado is likely. Mobile homes could be flipped. Falling trees can cause death or serious injury, and major damage to houses. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101, or by posting on our Facebook page, or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Chester and Union.